Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to fix unable to find Ubisoft Game Launcher. Please reinstall Assassin's Creed 2, find your search bar and type down. Add or remove programs, click on it and wait for it to load once loaded. Find Ubisoft or Ubisoft Connect if you can't find it. Type it down, click on three dots and hit install, uninstall. Okay, hit yes and click next, next, next. Follow simple prompts and once uninstalled, go to File Explorer and open Local Disk C under Local Disk C. Double-click on Program Files. A6. Find the folder, Ubisoft, right? Click on it and hit Delete once deleted. Restart your computer, restart, and once booted up. Open your favorite browser, find Ubisoft Connect and hit Enter. Click on the first search result, wait for it to load. Download the Ubisoft Launcher or Ubisoft Connect, click on it and save it. Wherever you want, save and wait for the process to finish. Once downloaded, click on the installer, open it up and follow simple prompts, log in, and once done, you should be good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.